Question is, sir, which is greater, 31 power 11 or 17 power 14? 31 power 11 or 17 power 14? Generally, in surds and indices related questions, you might have seen the comparison of the two powers. First thing what we did, we made either the power same. How we made the power same? By taking the HCF, or we did the calculation related things, 2 power 3 square, or we did some changes, some mathematical logics we applied and we tried solving this question. These are the various ways of solving a problem. Now if you see here, 31 power 11 or 17 power 14, 31 power 11, 17 power 14, base 31 is greater than 17, power 11 is less than 14. The first thing that came into my mind is 31 power 11 and 17. Step number 1. If you observe 31 comma 17, 31 is closer to 32, which is 2 power 5. 17 is closer to 16, which is 2 power 4. 31 and 17 are closer to powers of 2. I hope the first step it is clear. No mathematics, no advanced level logarithm related skills. Step number 2. 31 power 11 and 17 power 14. We have to compare. 31 is less than 32. Am I right? So if I raise the power, 31 power 11 is less than 32 power 11. Are you all with me? 32 it is 2 power 5. 2 power 5 power 11, which is 2 power 55. 2 power 55, can I say that it is less than 2 power 56? 2 power 55 is less than 2 power 56. 2 power 56. 2 power 56 is 2 power 4 power 14. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 power 14. 16 is less than 17. 16 is less than 17. Very, very interesting concept where what am I doing? I am checking the base values. Some very interesting questions today we are going to solve. The first thing is, don't apply 11 log 31 or 14 log 17. Use logarithm, use anti-logarithm. Very, very simple way of solving this question. Observe the powers. 31 and 17. 31 and 17 are closer to powers of 2. So 31 is less than 32. I raised the power. 31 power 11 is less than 32 power 11. 32 it is 2 power 5. 2 power 5 power 11. 2 power 55 is less than 2 power 56. So either the powers can be same or the bases can also be same. If the bases are same, suppose 3 is the base. 3 power 4 is less than 3 power 5 because the base is same. Power 4 is less than 5. Similarly, if the powers are same, for example, 2 power 4 and 3 power 4. 4 powers are same. 2 is less than 3. Either the powers can be same or the bases can be same, or we can make the power same if it is in the form of a surd by taking the HCF of the denominator if it is in fraction, or we will do some calculation. Some interesting math logic related problems which we used it. These are the questions which seems very complex to solve, but once you understand, they are very, very easy to solve.